Hi guys, today we are going to see how to create a Valentine's video to dedicate your loved ones on Valentine's Day. Okay guys, now we move to tutorial. First open new project in Kinemaster application, and then select the aspect ratio. Select the media tab, and then select the background folder. Now select the white background as a base. Now place the cursor at front, and select Media in Layer tab. Import the given main video. Select the video and get into full screen. Now extend the white background layer to the duration of video. In video, select the chroma key and enable it. Select key color to green. Place the value to 70% and 28% as in the video. Import your image by selecting Media in Layer tab. Now extend the image to full duration. Select the three-dot and touch Send to Back option. Now make sure the image is fit within the heart. Import butterfly video by selecting Media in Layer tab. Set the video to full screen. Now choose the chroma key and enable it. Change key color to black. Just change the value to 10% and 39% as per video. Select in Animation of Butterfly Video. Choose Fade option and set value to 1. Then select the image and in animation choose fade. Set value range between 1 to 1.5. Set the cursor and select Text in Layer tab. Then type your text. Now move the text to your desired position. And extend the text to video duration. And then select your font and color of your text. Now scroll down to Shadow option in text and select opacity to 50%. Select text and place the cursor at front. Touch the key option at left side. Now move to desired position and scale up the text. Set the text to send backward by selecting 3-point. Set the in animation of text to fade and select value 1. Move the cursor to front and import audio file of your own, or the file I given in the description. Finally, export your video by selecting left side button.